It won't work.
Ow! He bit me! That was not nice, James.
He said, "Give me back my toy. Mama, that's my toy." Whee!
Ow, my legs hurt.
Is Mommy riding your train? You need to come back this way. It's on now.
Get out of my way, baby. Eat you.
Is Mommy driving your train? She is. Say, Mommy, it's my train. Get off my train. It's my train.
Beep, beep, beep. Oh, knock me over.
He's pushing you.
Look. I'm gonna fall off.
Hey, Bam Bam. What are you doing, James?
You're pushing 125 pounds of dead weight.
Hi. Are you pushing Mommy on your train? Are you the engineer? Uh-oh, what is she doing? Come back here with my train. What are you doing? Say, come back here. Come back here.
Get out of my way, baby.
Did you tell her she was a meanie because she takes your train? Do that to Grandma. Show Grandma how you get frustrated.
I'll show Grandma. Okay, you can have it back now.
He was giving you a heck, and then he looked up at the camera and went, oh well.
Okay, goodbye.
Are you supposed to have that? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye?